Filling up gas for the Patty Mayo, guys. Putting some 100 octane aviation fuel. Some of the finest aviation fuel that you ever seen in your entire life is going into this drum. They're actually cheaper. It's cheaper for Avfuel in California than Utah. Utah is freaking like $6.15 a gallon. So I'm all about saving the money. It's Tuesday. We went to El Centro. We got Jack some shims for his clutch because apparently a bunch of stuff fell apart out of it last night. So we're on a recovery mission, a fix-it mission, a fuel mission. Mike needed hydraulic fluid, and now we're going back and hopefully we can fix Jack's car in time to go out on a sunset rip. That's the goal anyways. But yeah, we'll see you back at camp. Okay guys, it's the next day. I'm sorry. We got so wrapped up in doing stuff and we never even rode yesterday or anything, but we got Jack's, I should say Mike and Jack got his car fixed. One-way bearing slipped out or something crazy. Anyways, everything's put back together. The bolt is tight and the car is running great. So, yeah. So anyways, so look who we got here. We got Amanda Chimenowoski. She came through. That's not really her real last name, so if y'all try to find her on Facebook, I know how you creepers are. It's not really Chimenowoski. I just pronounce it that way. But chances are, she does have an OnlyFans. I'm just joking, guys. No, she doesn't. Don't worry, I'll edit that out. But Amanda's here. She made it. We got Bubbles. If you guys don't know, Amanda has a cool little dog named Bubbles. Well, he's really kind of big. He's a Cane Corso, and he's kind of goofy. You would think he's scary. He looks scary, but he's actually just, he's scared of himself, I think. Anyways, guys, let's go for a ride. Let's go putt around the dunes. I haven't even ridden yet since I've been here. Really, I think the farthest I made it is like 30 feet that way somewhere. Okay, so I'm gonna go put some heat in Patty Mayo. Still got some dirt tires on her. I went and got a haircut because I hate getting sand in the side of my hair. And yeah, let's go explore the dunes for a second. We lost Mike for a second. I saw him on my ride command, so I knew he was coming here. And where do we find him? Lo and behold, on the side of the hill with a blown belt. And what's your excuse because of the blown belt?
There's an excuse?
Well, you said there's too much power.
Yeah, too much power.
Too much power.
Unloaded a little bit and overspun the tire.
Oh, she went kapow. I'd rather it be that than an axle.
I mean, it's a whole belt.
How long has that belt been on there?
Since the last time I blew one.
Where the hell was that?
Like little Sahara?
If you keep that logic, boys and girls, you'll always be good to go. You know what I mean? That was a fun rip. I got way lost. I don't know where I even ended up. Somehow way next to China. But anyhow, we're here. We're gonna chill for a second. Apparently I lost my camera. It popped off of there. And I was like, oh no, that sucks. Like, I'm always losing cameras apparently. But guess what? Amanda said she saw it fly off the car and thought I just hit a piece of plastic. She didn't realize it was a camera, so we actually found it. Reason 7,422.9 million why Polaris's are great, because you have ride command and you can follow your tracks. I'm sure there's, I get it, there's Garmin. You can do all that. I'm just saying, this comes with it from the factory. Maybe you should get a Polaris, maybe not. Maybe you hate Polarises. I don't hate Polarises. I don't hate Can-Ams. So yeah, I guess we made it back. I'm gonna check on baby Miles. He's asleep. What? Guys, check this out. There's friends I keep around and then there's friends I get rid of. Amanda's paid her taxes. Oh, she said she's giving it to us because she doesn't like them.
I just ate one, but they were delicious.
Oh, so. Let me have one really quick.
They're so good.
I thought that was our friendship fee.
No.
Say that was our friendship. Mike, here, let me take Mike one.
I don't know. Does he?
He doesn't want a cookie.
He does,
bah humbug.
Boo hoo hoo.
Bah humbug.
What a cranker.
We got Marissa's car over here. We got military Mike installing clutch kit in it. It was supposed to be me. Surprise, Mike took over. Also, on a side note, Marissa, I'm talking to you and Mike. Guys.
Maintenance.
What was the word we're looking for? Maintenance, that's right. Because this thing was so dirty. Pull your clutch covers off, guys. Look at poor Mike's hands. Look at that. That's a working man's hands. Clean your freaking clutches out, guys. Blow them off. We shouldn't have to be working in these treacherous environments. So here's your message for the day. I don't know if it's positive or not, but we should do maintenance, right, Jack?
Always.
That's right. Jack has done a severe maintenance on his clutch recently and rebuilt the entire thing. I don't think that was out of choice, though.
No, that wasn't Jack rebuilt it. Mike rebuilt it for Jack.
Yeah. Mike is our clutch expert. He didn't know he was that until my car, which I've blown 17 belts since then, so.
You blowing one on your own fault.
Whose fault was it, Mike?
Yours.
Here,
grab that tool.
Okay, we got stuff to do, people. Stuff to do. If you guys don't have a clutch kit, IBEX is the way to go.
recording actually recorded because the SD card was full. Oh, I guess my son. We made it to sunset, and the sun set really fast. I found someone's marble. They lost their marbles, but I found it. Amanda caught me falling to the ground, and I'm out of breath, and I'm eating my hair. Merry Christmas Eve!
Yeah, Merry Christmas Eve. Oh, I meant today's
No, it is
Eve.
Merry Christmas Eve.
Yeah, that was fun. That was a good rip.
That was
right
fun.
there. Did you have fun, Amanda?
Heck yeah.
Was that a good line? Did I redeem myself? Because the line before earlier was horrible.
Did you not do a
that's Sarah. Is that Sarah, Rick? Let's head back home, boys and girls. Let's go see baby Miles and Krista. Oh, we're not? Where are we doing?
We're just cruising, dude.
Oh, we're going cruising.
It's not
Oh,
to head back.
Ashley was like, no, we're not going back. We're gonna go ride some more. Who am I to argue with that? Got a little Nightmare Before Christmas on TV. Got my parents here. We're making breakfast. We're making Christmas dinner. It's a tri-tip rolls, salad, and some roasted potatoes. So we're gonna eat a good meal, guys. We're gonna chill out for the rest of the night. This video is gonna drop on Sunday for you guys, and after that I will try to push one more video out, and then there's probably gonna be a week of absence just because there's gonna be so many friends here, and I'm gonna record so many videos, so you guys are gonna have tons of content to watch. But you guys have a great Christmas night, and I will see you in the morning.